One day when we were with friends, we were discussing some topics related to confidence. And I said, hey man, I'm a go-getter. And then my friend said, no, you are not. That thing affected me for a very long time until I realized that, what about if I was those things? What is the worst thing that could happen? I accepted myself with the flaws that I had, with my own flaws. If somebody criticized you, especially in a negative way, your mind always tends to refer back to what that person says when you are faced with a challenge. For example, when my friend told me that you are not a go-getter, every time I thought about a challenge, my mind still goes back and says, Chebo, you are not a go-getter. Don't try this. You are going to fail. When we accept ourselves together with our flaws and strengths, we will have the will to improve on ourselves, to grow ourselves, be it in our physical health, our mental capacity, confidence, self-esteem. Self-acceptance has helped me resolve conflicts. It has also helped me accept other people for who they are without judgment, without trying to make them change for me. Let them change for me if they want to. If they don't, it's up to them. If people are not accepting of you, well, that is their problem. Accept you for who you are. And once you accept yourself, the world will gravitate around you.